Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to make a self-portrait from the found materials and objects you have around the house.
So, here are the supplies you'll need. Paper, glue, scissors, pen, pencil, and eraser, and whatever you'd like to cut out and or glue onto your self-portrait. Remember, these things have to represent you in some way. You'll also need some kind of material to glue your pieces onto. I'm using scrapbook paper in this case. And colored pencils. Before we get started, here are the goals for this project. 1. To show an outward expression of yourself through your likeness, which is optional. And 2. To show an inward expression of yourself that people may not see at first glance when they look at you through the items you chose. For my example, I started out with silly, non-serious things that reflect my interests, like vampire fangs, rainbow stickers, a pentagram, etc. After that, I went a little bit deeper and chose text from a book that represents my mental health. My terrible memory, my depression and anxiety, my difficulties with talking to people, etc. And I ended with sheet music washi tape because listening to music, singing, and playing piano are important parts of my life. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Draw half of your face or a silhouette of your head. The example that I will be showing you is half of your face. First, you sketch out your face with a pencil. Drawing faces might be intimidating, but I have linked tutorials on how to do it below. After you're done with your sketch, outline it with a pen. Then erase the sketch. After that, you are free to color the half of your face however you would like to.
So that drawing is really awesome, but I don't think my drawing skills are that good, so I'm going to do my own thing. So I'm just going to draw a silhouette of my face, and I'm just going to wing it, but you could also go online and download a silhouette and print it off if you would like to do it that way.
Step 2. Cut and glue your pieces. All done. Now is the time to take a picture of your work if you'd like to.
We hope you'll enjoy making your self-portrait. Thank you for watching.